Things like this genuinely make me stop and tear up because I remember what it was like being a makeup beginner, which wasn't that long ago. Going into the beauty aisle, being completely lost, not knowing what color to get, not knowing what product to get, not knowing how to use said product, wasting money, having to do a million returns. You're a makeup beginner over 40, you're in the right place. Save this video now and steal my look later because I'm going to show you how to get the most flawless looking skin over 40. And here's my before picture. You see the darkness, the redness, the hyperpigmentation, and it's easier than you think. The first step, and this is going to make all the difference, take your cream foundation with your foundation brush, dip in, and I want you to just kind of brush that all over. This is the shade that's gonna match your complexion closely. It's gonna even out your skin tone. It's gonna make your skin look youthful, flawless, and amazing. And remember, we're just using a teeny tiny bit. And with the smallest amount, look at the difference in your skin. Comment match if you want to know the foundation shade that's going to be perfect for you, because I'm going to pick out the perfect color that's going to match your skin tone and make your skin look amazing. As a makeup beginner, you've probably seen people use this dark shade and it looks scary, it looks intimidating. It's contour and it's going to enhance your features. We're going to like sculpt out your angles. Don't be scared of it. It's beautiful. Just a little to your hairline, jawline, cheekbone, and the sides of your nose. And then right down to your cream concealer. This is going to add brightness. We only need a teeny tiny bit. Remember, too much product under your eye is going to increase the cracking, the creasing, the caking. We want everything nice and natural. Our over 40 skin, we don't need too much. So just right here in the center of your face with your concealer, that's where the sun is going to naturally brighten you up. And then go ahead and blend your colors. You're gonna notice how easily your cream makeup blends. Look at that. Just like a couple of swipes and you're done. When you get to your contour, make sure you're bringing that up and back to your hairline. We want everything nice and lifted. And look how that just gives a beautiful shadow. Same for your cheek, up and back, lifted and sculpted. And bring your jaw contour down your neck. Adding bronzer is gonna give you the most glowiest glow ever. Right here to the temple, and look at that beautiful warmth already. Follow the lines of your contour, and when you blend that in, you're gonna see just how beautiful bronzer is. Never skip bronzer. Blend with your fluffy brush and look at your skin. Look at the glow. Can you do me a favor? There should be a little arrow over here in the corner. Can you share this video so other makeup beginners can find us too? You're gonna love this part. Grab your blush color. You can choose any color you want. I do like to mix and match my colors, and tap it on up and back. This is gonna help to give such a beautiful lift, and I'm using that same brush that I use to apply my bronzer. This is the best brush in the world. And just remember, the secret to everything looking natural is to just blend. And look how pretty this color is right here. This is my cream highlighter. Look how golden and gorgeous that is. And when you put it on the high points of your face, like the tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, and then just above where you applied your blush, look how when the light hits, it's just so pretty. This is gonna make your skin just look dewy and youthful, healthy, glowing. I can't get over it. I feel like this makeup palette just gives you like a real life filter. And I don't know about you, but I am on a budget, so I love to take my contour color, and I'm actually gonna use that to fill in my brows. Just fill in with little light hair strokes. And I love to come to the front and give myself those little realistic hair strokes for in the front too. Line under your tail, perfect your arch. And you just microbladed your brows in 2 seconds. I'm gonna multitask again by dipping into a dark eyeshadow. And that's actually gonna be my eyeliner. I don't even own an eyeliner pencil. It's not heavy. It just gives a soft, beautiful look, and that's what we want over 40. Lips are personal preference, but did you know you could use that same blush color that you used? You can use it for your lip. If there's ever a way to get the most out of your products and save a little bit of money, I'm gonna find it. So reusing your blush as your lip, sign me up. I wanna know your honest thoughts. Is this something that you think you can do? Last little steps, set your makeup. We want our look to last all day. And look at your skin. It's youthful, it's supple, hydrated. Over 40 who? You can be done here. If you like the more like glowy, dewy look, you're done here. If you want a more matte look, you're gonna grab a little bit of setting powder, the teeniest amount, get the excess off on the back of your hand, and in your inner corner, Just dab on your setting powder, bring it up and back. Feel free to put that anywhere you get oily throughout the day, such as your T-zone. Me personally, I just like to stick to my under eye. I feel like it just kind of finishes and sets the under eye beautifully. You can kind of see the difference. And that's it. Your easy makeup is done. Comment, match, or text me for your foundation shade. You're going to send me the word #color match. It's all one word, #color match. And my number's right on the screen. I can't wait to help you with your easy makeup.